Alright guys, let's go over the homework assignment. We're going to start with exercise number 3, which is 7b minus 4 less than or equal to 10. You're going to do order of operations backwards, which means we're looking for this minus 4. So we're going to get rid of minus 4 by using the inverse, which is adding 4. Add 4 to both sides. 7b is less than or equal to 14. Divide both sides by 7. b is less than or equal to 2. So we're talking about 2 is our target. 1 to the left, 3 to the right, closed circle, everything running to the left. So that would be that one. Exercise 4. We've got 4p plus 4 greater than or equal to 12. Order of operations backwards tells us we're going to get rid of this positive 4 first. So we're going to minus 4 from both sides. That gives me 4p greater than or equal to positive 8. Divide both sides by 4. p is greater than or equal to 2. And so that would be 2 is our target, 1 to the left, 3 to the right, closed circle, this time it's going to the right. So it would be this top one. On exercise 5, we've got negative 6g plus 2 greater than or equal to 20. Order of operations backwards tells us we're looking for addition or subtraction, so we're going to get rid of this part first. So the inverse of plus 2 is minus 2. We're going to do the same thing on both sides. I get negative 6g greater than or equal to 18. And now I'm going to do the inverse of multiplying by negative 6. I'm going to divide by negative 6. That's going to give me g. Because I divided by a negative, we're going to flip that inequality. And that's going to give me negative 3. So we should have negative 3 as our target, negative 4 to the left, negative 2 to the right, closed circle, and this should be going to the left. So it looks like it's this third one. Number 6. I've got 3 parentheses, 2 minus f less than or equal to 15. I'm going to distribute. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times negative f is negative 3f less than or equal to 15. Order of operations backwards tells me I'm going to get rid of this positive 6. The inverse of a positive 6 is minus 6. We do that on both sides. I get negative 3f less than or equal to 9. I'm going to divide both sides by negative 3. That's going to give me f. Because I divided by negative, we have to flip the inequality. 9 divided by negative 3 is negative 3. Our target would be negative 3, negative 4 to the left, negative 2 to the right, closed circle, going to the right. So that bottom one right there. Number 11. We've got w over 2 plus 4 greater than 5. Order of operations backwards tells us we're looking for the addition or subtraction. So to get rid of plus 4, we're going to minus 4 from both sides. That's going to give me w over 2 is greater than 1. Now we're going to do the inverse of dividing by 2. The inverse of dividing by 2 is multiplying by 2. We get w is greater than 2. So at 2, we would have an open circle going to the right. Exercise 12. Let me twist that a little bit. We've got 1 plus m over 3 less than or equal to 6. We're going to get rid of this positive 1. The inverse of a positive 1 is minus 1. And we're going to do that to both sides. So now we'll have m over 3 less than or equal to 5. Now we're going to do the inverse of, what is the inverse of dividing by 3? The inverse of dividing by 3 is multiplying by 3. So I'm going to multiply by 3 on this side, multiply by 3 on that side. I get m less than or equal to positive 15. So at 15 I would have a closed circle, and it's going to head to the left. Number 13, we've got p divided by negative 8 plus 9 is greater than 13. Order of operations tells us we're going to try and get rid of this positive 9. The inverse of plus 9, you guessed it, minus 9. We're going to do that to both sides. P over negative 8 is greater than 4. Now, the inverse of dividing by negative 8 is multiplying by negative 8. Multiplying both sides by negative 8 means that we would have p. We have to flip the inequality because we're multiplying by a negative, less than negative 8 times 4 is negative 32. So negative 32, we should have an open circle going to the left. Exercise 14. Let me rewrite this. We've got 3 plus r over negative 4 less than or equal to 6. We're going to start by order of operations backwards. We're going to get rid of a positive 3. To do that, we're going to minus 3 from both sides. That gives me r over negative 4 less than or equal to 3. Now we're going to do the inverse of dividing by negative 4, which is multiplying by negative 4. And we're going to do that on both sides. So we're going to get r, because we're multiplying by a negative, we have to flip the inequality. And 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. So at negative 12, we will have a closed circle. And the direction will be to the right. On number 15, we're going to start by distributing. So let me rewrite the problem as 6 greater than or equal to negative 6, parentheses, a plus 2. We're going to distribute. So negative 6 times a is negative 6a. Negative 6 times positive 2 is going to be negative 12. So 6 greater than or equal to negative 6a minus 12. Order of operations backwards tells me we're going to get rid of this negative 12. So I'm going to add 12 to both sides. That gives me 18 greater than or equal to negative 6a. The inverse of multiplying by negative 6 is dividing by negative 6. So we're going to have negative 3. We have to flip the inequality, so that's going to be less than or equal to a. And now we got to flip the whole equation. A greater than or equal to negative 3. Negative 3 will have a closed circle, and the direction will be to the right. The last one we have another distributive property. So we're going to do this as 18 less than or equal to, I'm just going to distribute it right away. 3 times b is 3b. 3 times negative 4 is minus 12. Order of operations backwards, we're going to have to get rid of this negative 12. So we're going to add 12 to both sides. This is going to be 30 is less than or equal to 3b. Then the last step, the inverse of multiplying by 3 is dividing by 3. We get 10 less than or equal to b. We have to flip it. That's going to be b is greater than or equal to 10. At 10, closed circle going to the right. All right, guys, that is it for the homework assignment. Let's take a peek at the lesson.